Okay, here we go. Here's a 18-inch Miss Nippon that I totally restored. Changed the colors for the guy. He wanted this color combination, and I gotta say, it really looks nice. It's a nice boat. It pops. It was in great shape to begin with. Just the paint was all cracked and falling off, but other than that, it was all there except the windshield. I went ahead and added a windshield. There she is, the lights. I had to put my lights on because the original ones, the wiring was bad. I couldn't get to the wiring on the lights, so I substituted them. There's a Miss Nippon decal I made. Came out pretty good. Anyway, but you see I repainted it, and these motors scream on this thing. Just be prepared. This, of course, this switch is for the lights. You can see the bullet lights. Off. And this is hull number 13. Lucky 13. Anyway, there's 2 horseshoe motors. I cleaned them up. They were a mess. They run great now. Now get ready. They're loud and they run fast. That was reverse. Here's forward. See, that sucker's loud. Those motors are screaming. I tell you right now, you put that in the water, it'd move out pretty good. Has some nice 4-bladed props, which are really nice. I think KMK made these because they made the sub, and the sub had a 4-bladed props on it too. So I'm just assuming, but I'm pretty sure it was KMK. Anyway, I redid everything, repainted it. The video, the restoration video is on YouTube. I'll finish it up now with these pictures. I just took a bunch of pictures. Anyway, this is a really nice boat. It's going out next Monday, and I think the owner's going to love it. Anyway, there you go. 18-inch Miss Nippon. Beautiful boat. Beautiful, beautiful boats. I got another black and white one I'm restoring too at the same time. So, but this is a really nice boat. I like these a lot. Anyway, thanks for all your comments, kind comments about my boats. You see everything on Facebook there. The RC Craft Toy Boat website, and then also on YouTube all the videos where this one's going. Thanks again.